In this video, I will show you step by step how to add someone on Microsoft Teams quickly and easily. First, open the Microsoft Teams app on your computer or phone and log into your account if you are not already signed in. Once you are inside, look for the option called Chat, which is usually located on the left side menu. Next, click the button to start a new conversation, usually shown as a pencil icon or the option New Chat. At the top of the screen, you will see a field where you can type the name, email, or phone number of the person you want to add. Type the person's information and wait a few seconds while Microsoft Teams searches for the contact. When the name appears in the list, click on it to add the person to the conversation. After that, you can send messages normally, start an audio call, or even start a video call. If you want to add the person to a specific team, go to the Teams option in the side menu, select the desired team, click the three dots next to the team name, and choose the Add Member option. Then, type the name or email of the person and confirm to add them. And that's it. Now you know how to add someone on Microsoft Teams. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.